Hello everyone, welcome to Fix Zone. Today we will be discussing how to add a user to your YouTube TV account. Maybe you want to share the fun with your family, or just give a friend access. Whatever the reason, it's a pretty simple process, and we're here to guide you through it. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. We really appreciate your support. Okay, so in this video, we're going to cover two main methods: adding a user via the YouTube TV website on your computer, and adding a user directly from a YouTube TV app on your phone or tablet. Let's get started. Visual, screen recording of accessing YouTube TV website on a computer. First, let's tackle the website method. Open your web browser and go to tv.youtube.com. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to add the user to. Next, click on your profile picture in the upper right-hand corner. A menu will drop down. In the menu, you'll see an option that says Settings. Click on Settings. Now, on the Settings page, look for the Family Sharing option. Click on it. Here, you'll see an option that says Manage. Click on Manage. Now, simply click Invite Family Member. Enter their Google account email address and click Send. That person will then receive an invitation to join your YouTube TV family group. They just need to accept the invitation, and they're good to go. Visual, screen recording of accessing YouTube TV app on a phone or tablet. Alright, now let's move on to adding a user using the YouTube TV app on your mobile device. Open the YouTube TV app on your phone or tablet. Tap on your profile picture in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. In the menu that appears, select Settings. Just like on the website, look for the Family Sharing option and tap on it. Again, you'll see a Manage button. Tap on it. And finally, tap Invite Family Member, enter the Google account email address of the person you want to add, and send the invitation. And that's it. It's really that simple to add a user to your YouTube TV account using either the website or the app. Remember that YouTube TV typically has a limit on how many users you can have in your family group, so be mindful of that. Also, family members need to live in the same household to comply with YouTube TV's terms of service. We hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment down below, and we'll do our best to assist you. Thanks for watching Fix Zone. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials. We'll see you in the next video.